This is a two-plan defined benefit. Hire is January 1st, 2014 at age 40. Starting salary is $30,000 with 2% raises each January 1st. Retirement is the 65th birthday. Final salary at 64 is $48,253. 3-year FAS at retirement is $47,313. $9.5 years at ABC plus 15.5 years at XYZ give a total benefit of $30,551. Replacement ratio over S64 is 63.3%. Let N be years at ABC, then 25 minus N at XYZ, using the same retirement FAS. We need replacement ratio of at least 65% of final salary. The official linear form is 35,485 minus 519.4 N over 48,253, at least 0.65. The slope is negative because each extra ABC year replaces a richer XYZ year. Maximum ABC tenure is 7.9 years. Longer ABC service drops the replacement ratio below 65%. Part A used 9.5 years and only reached 63.3%. Seven years at ABC and 8 years at XYZ, then XYZ freezes. Accrued benefit is $15,615. 65% of S64 is $31,364. The gap is a 10-year deferred whole life annuity due of $15,749 a year. Premiums are paid during the deferral. Plug the printed 5% factors at age 55, 0.59342, 13.5498, and 8.0192. The official net annual premium is $15,791.